What is going on, everybody? It is your guy James Raw. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video. In today's video, I'm going to give you guys the best ways to cop the brand new, well, it's not actually brand new, it is the Bred Yeezy 350 V2 restock that we are getting this upcoming Saturday. I am literally super excited for these sneakers, and I really hope everyone cops these sneakers because these are one of the most beloved Yeezy 350s like literally ever on the planet. These are definitely in the holy trinity of Yeezy 350s. You got these, you got the belugas, and you got the zebras. And also in this video, I'm going to give you guys a resale prediction as well too. But before we get into the video, you guys want to stay up to date on Yeezy news, reviews, and updates, make sure you subscribe to the channel and make sure you give this video a like. It goes a long way with helping out the channel. Thank you guys for all your support, and also follow your guy on Instagram. It is actually my full name, James Raw, on Instagram.com, or on Instagram, just type in James Raw. You will definitely find me because I'm so unique. My name is so unique, you will find me. But let's talk about these Bred 350 V2s. These 350 V2s actually came out in 2017, I believe, and it literally set the world on fire. Yeezys was already at an all-time high. These Yeezys was like the Beatles as far as footwear, period. No matter what the sneakers or shoes, loafers, it doesn't matter what you had in your feet. These were the pinnacle of sneakers. And after these dropped in 2017, I remember this sneaker selling for over $1,000, man. That's how crazy this release was. That's one of the main reasons why I was unable to cop, because I'm not paying no mortgage for these sneakers, man, no matter how hot they are. But we are very, very lucky. We do have our chance to actually get these sneakers, and I'm super excited about that. These kicks will cost $220 USD. It will come in full family sizing, and these sneakers will be released this upcoming Saturday on December 5th. So make sure you mark your calendar. And as far as stock numbers, I'm hearing that the stock will be high, super high. I'm hearing about 500,000 to 600,000 pairs. Some say 525. Some say 575, so I'm just gonna say in between 500,000 and 600,000. Now, even though it seems like a lot of pairs, you still gonna have to put your footwork in getting these kicks. Like, just sit back and think about it. Let's just say we get 525,000 pairs or so, okay? First of all, it's gonna be a worldwide release, so everyone is gonna get the chance to wear these kicks. Even places like the Antarctica is getting a couple pairs, y'all. So when it comes to everybody in America or whatever country you lived in, you're gonna have to divide that number. That 525,000, you're gonna have to split that pie. And on top of that, it is coming in full family sizing, so they're all not going to be adult sizes. Therefore, it's going to make the pie even smaller. So don't let that 500,000 fool you. It is definitely fake news. You're going to have to put in some work if you want to get these sneakers. These will not be an easy cop whatsoever. So make sure you get the desktop ready, the cell phone ready, the tablet ready. Call your people up, call your ex-girlfriend, and make sure they help you out getting these sneakers, man, because you're going to need all the help you can get. And the first way you can actually get these sneakers is from independent select retailers. What I mean by that is that these retailers are independent, and they are actually Adidas authorized retailers to sell Yeezys. So make sure you look at your hometown boutique, you know, hit up their Twitter, see their process of getting these sneakers. And I know a lot of global independent boutiques like Livestock. You got Ennis also getting these sneakers. You got places like Naked, BSTN, you have Sneaker and Stuff. Make sure you hit up all of these accounts on Twitter and see their raffle process to getting these sneakers, because most likely they'll be doing a online raffle for these kicks. So make sure you just, you know, go by their procedure and follow these accounts on Twitter. The second way that we're going to talk about is from the foot sites. When I say that, I'm talking about Foot Action, Footlocker, Champs, Eastbay, stores like that. For Foot Action, Footlocker, and Champs, you can actually do a raffle reservation for these kicks. All you have to do is download these apps, complete the entry form, pick up the 3 stores you would like to pick these sneakers up from, and also do not forget your head starts. You're gonna have to spend some points for the head starts for these kicks. And I'm gonna tell you guys right now, if you guys want hype kicks from Foot Locker, Foot Action, and Champs, you need head starts. This reservation will be open until Friday the 4th of December, and you have until 4:15 EST to put in your entry for these kicks. And very, very shockingly, Finish Line will not be doing raffles for these kicks. They will be doing online only. And just in case you don't win on the raffle, you could actually cop on these same foot sites the day after, on Saturday, December the 5th. but you're gonna have to wake up extremely early. They start their sale at 7 a.m. EST. Footlocker, Foot Action, Champs, East Bay, a lot of these places. Also Finish Line. Finish Line starts at 7 a.m. as well. And just in case you strike out on the foot sites, you can also try Yeezy Supply. Yeezy Supply, they usually start their sale in between 9 and 10 a.m. But for this particular sneaker, they will be starting at 9 a.m. EST. And when you do try for Yeezy Supply, make sure you have multiple windows up. I usually like to do about 3 windows on Google Chrome. I like to make new users when I do that. You don't want to get too carried away with that because they will ban you. They will detect something that's sus, especially if you have about like 10 windows up. They not stupid, y'all. And try to do it with your cell phone as well too, because Yeezy Supply, they have a splash page. So they usually start to sell 10 to 15 minutes before they actually go live at 9 a.m. So I would definitely be ready around 8:45-ish, and you basically just have to play the waiting game to see if you can get through or not. One thing I can say, Yeezy Supply have been a lot better as far as the releases. The Zions really wasn't that difficult, and the Carbon 350s really wasn't that difficult as well too. And I know a lot of people copped them 380s, those black 380s this past weekend from Yeezy Supply, so they've been doing a good job so far. But I will warn you, when you do buy online from the foot sites and Yeezy Supply, those sites will be getting botted. So you really have to stay persistent in trying to add these sneakers in your cart, because the bots is gonna go ham this Saturday. Trust me. And the last and probably the best way to cop these sneakers is from the Adidas app. Adidas also have the Confirm app, but they've been pretty inconsistent as far as, you know, putting Yeezys on the Confirm app. Is basically just a wasted app because the last 4 releases have been on the Adidas app. But you download the Adidas app and it's literally on the main page. It asks you whether you want to participate in the raffle or not. So once you put in all your information, you have until December 5th, 10:30 EST to put in your raffle for these kicks on the Adidas app. Once they stop the raffle at 10:30 a.m., they start the draw a half an hour later at 11 a.m. So it usually take around 20 to around 40 minutes. If it takes longer than that, you got an L. So you just have to be patient and see whether you want or not. And as far as the resale value of the sneaker, I really think the resale value will be extremely high, because the first restock with the black Yeezy 350 V2s, it still was worth around $150 over retail after the first restock. So that was crazy. So if those kicks could do good numbers, I'm pretty sure with this restock, these kicks will still do good numbers as well too, because these kicks are highly sought after and also very, very beloved in the Yeezy community. So the most profitable size on these Yeezys will be the small sizes, 4 to 6.5, I would say the most. And overall, I still do think this sneaker can sell for about $350 to $450 depending on size. Even though it's a lot of money, it is nowhere near as bad as it was a couple of years ago, man. I told you, these sneakers at one point was selling over $1,000. So if you do plan on selling these sneakers, I do predict you will make a good outcome, a good $100 to $150 profit. But if you do hold in these sneakers, I do predict that these sneakers will go up in value. They will go up. So overall, whether you cop the sneaker on a personal or resale level, these will be a good cop either or. So there goes my Bred 350 video. Make sure you guys let me know in the comments, how do you feel about this upcoming release? Are you guys copping? You better be copping. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video. I see you guys when I see you. Peace.